Are you tired of the boring Windows 11 interface? Want something more modern, minimal, and beautiful without switching to Linux or macOS? Then let me introduce you to Seelen UI. It's a free and open source desktop environment for Windows that transforms the way your PC looks and works. With Seelen UI, you'll get a clean top bar, a macOS style dock, theme, and wallpapers, a quick app launcher, and a powerful tiling window manager, all running inside Windows. It feels like you're using a completely different system, but under the hood, it's still the same Windows 11. In today's video, I'll guide you through everything: how to install Seelen UI, how to use each feature, and how to customize it to create your perfect desktop setup. If you have never customized Windows before, don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. So let's get started. First, let's start with the installation. Open the Microsoft Store and search for Seelen UI. Click Install. This is the easiest and the safest way to get in. You'll also receive automatic updates from the store. Once it is installed, open the app. Seelen UI will now replace your default desktop shell with its custom interface. At the top of your screen, you'll see a new toolbar. It looks like a Linux-style menu bar. On the left, it shows your Windows profile. Next to it, it shows the currently active app. On the right, it displays system info like date and time, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, volume, battery, and notifications. You can click on these icons to open their quick settings. The bell icon opens the Windows Notification Center. At the bottom, you'll see a macOS style dock. The start button is still here and works as usual. Next to it are your pinned apps. Open apps also appear here. You can right-click on any app and pin it for quick access. You can also get the media player pause and play button on the dock. Take a minute to move around. Everything feels fast and smooth. The Windows shortcuts still work. Press the Windows key to open the Start menu. Use Alt plus Tab to switch apps. Everything should work normally. Now let's customize it. Open the Seelen UI settings panel. In the General tab, you can enable Start on Boot. This makes sure Seelen UI runs automatically when your PC starts. You can change language, date formats, and the accent color. Clicking the color opens the Windows personalize settings, where you can choose your favorite highlight color. Next, go to the Resources section. This is where the real customization begins. You can change themes, plugins, widgets, icon packs, wallpapers, and even sounds. Under Themes, select a new one to completely change the look of the Seelen UI. To get more themes, click the Discover More Resources link. This will open the official theme library. From here, you can add the one you like. Your new theme is now active. Plugins and widgets work the same way. You can install new ones from the same Resources panel. Now go to the Fancy Toolbar section. This is where you can customize the top toolbar. You can change its height. Position it at the top or bottom. You can even enable dynamic color that adapts based on your wallpaper or theme. You can also control whether the toolbar auto hides, which is useful if you prefer a minimal look. Then open the Application Launcher tab. This gives you a fast way to open apps. You can trigger it with Win+S. Type any app's name and launch it instantly. It feels just like Spotlight Search on macOS. Now open the Wallpaper Manager. Turn on the Enable Wallpaper Manager toggle. Without this, wallpaper settings won't apply. Add your favorite images here. Seelen UI will cycle through them as a slideshow. You can also randomize the order and set how often the wallpaper changes, every few minutes for example. If you don't add any wallpaper manually, Seelen UI will use the wallpaper defined by your active theme. Next, visit the dock or taskbar settings. You can change the dock size, position, margin, and padding. You can also enable auto hide so the dock appears only when needed. Finally, go to the Windows Manager tab. Here, you can enable the Tiling Window Manager. This arranges windows side by side automatically when you open multiple apps. It's great for multitasking. You can also change the layout spacing and workspace margin to control how windows are placed. And that's it. You have installed and fully customized Seelen UI. Your Windows 11 desktop now looks like a completely new system.